Alright guys, here I am now. I decided to just do a walking video. So honestly, I walked a whole nother while back. And I didn't see anything. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to start my watch, and then we're officially going to walk back to my area. Obviously I was on the yellow trail, now I'm on the orange trail, as you guys can see. So once I get up here a little bit of a ways, I might remember where I started, you know, my yellow to orange merge, and then I'll just continue going the rest of the way. So that's what we're gonna do. So wish me luck, I guess, right? So I'm probably just gonna speed the whole thing up, honestly, but we'll see. So anyhow, here we go. Without further ado. Oh, Alyssa, blonde moments, girl, come on. Workout, hiking, start. Good girl, Alyssa. Jeez. Huh. Get it together, Alyssa. Get it together. But I literally came through just a whole bunch of like patches like that. It was crazy. Oh guys, look. I might try it. I'll try. Doesn't look too scary, guys. Did you guys see how I did my partial FBI thing there? So, like sweep, right? So, obviously, I checked that door as much as I could, right? Then I actually leaned in a little bit, right? Just enough to where if they kicked the door in, it wouldn't hit me, right? So, that obviously, when you're doing like fatal weapons, like a gun, it's obviously different. But yeah, you know, walk on in there and see, and then once you know for sure nobody's behind that door, well then you can turn your back to it and go the other way. How about that, guys? Pretty cool. So yeah, like I said, I don't know where this trail takes me, the orange one, but we're definitely starting back in the right direction. So we'll officially keep walking. Here we go. Alright guys, so we're back now at the crossroads. So we'll keep walking. It probably wasn't that far in here, but I'm already at 10 minutes, which was right around half a mile. So should actually be pretty far in the long run. So anyhow, guys, let's keep rolling. Here we go. You guys can also see way up there, it's really, really nice. They have a lake, like a little mini pond, I guess it is. So they have one of those up there, but we're not gonna go into that one. So just want to come on and also share that. And then also, there is also another trail. Now you guys can see, I don't know if I filmed it that well, but this is red and white. So I think that there's also a red and white connector that I must have missed. So we'll check and see. Look at the signs a little better. I don't remember seeing a red and white. That might have been the red and white. And this is just orange and yellow. So we'll check it out, you know. We'll keep walking on up here and check it out. Here we go.
Point reached.
Alright guys, so I just looked and seen and saw that my battery is now officially for this as well at 29%. My phone is like 25, so I'm definitely going to need to go ahead and get going. But I will do a post celebration video once I'm down here at the end and bottom again. So anyhow guys, thank you again for watching the GoPro version. A little bit shorter, but you know, that's okay. Obviously, because I am enjoying my hike. So anyhow guys, thank you again for watching this little GoPro section and snippet, and then we'll talk to you guys maybe tonight whenever I get home. If not, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.